हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एपीआरिया नर्सिंग एजुकेशन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, वो भी 20 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस ऑन नर्सिंग। बट बिफोर दैट, hit like and share the video. Also press the bell icon next to subscribe the button to get the notification of latest videos. Now let's start the topic. First discuss question number 1. International Day for Nurses is celebrated on. The options are A. December 1st, B. May 12, C. June 2, D. May 1st. Answer May 12. Then question number 2. Which of the following phrase best describes the science of nursing? The options are A. Application of clinical skills, B. Holistic approach in patient care, C. Body of nursing knowledge, D. Art of specialized nursing care. Answer body of nursing knowledge. Then question number 3. Florence Nightingale was born on. The options are A. May 12th, 18th, 20, B. May 12th, 18th, 32, C. April 7th, 18th, 20, D. June 7th, 18th, 42. Answer May 12th, 18th, 20. Then question number 4. The definition given by the Florence Nightingale mainly focus on. The options are A. Love and affection, B. Evidence-based practice, C. Reliable and valid care, D. Utilizing the environment for recovery. Answer utilizing the environment for recovery. Then question number 5. Who founder of modern nursing? The options are A. Dr. Leninger, B. Sister Callista Roy, C. Dorothea L. Dix, D. Florence Nightingale. Answer Florence Nightingale. Then question number 6. The word nurse is rendered from the Latin word nutrix, which refers the actual meaning of. The options are A. Care, B. Cure, C. Nourish, D. Nutritious. Answer nourish. Then question number 7. What is the full form of nurse? The options are A. Nursing unit for rational service and excellence, B. Noble understanding, responsibility, sympathy, efficiency, C. Noble understanding, responsibility, sympathy, empathy, D. Nurses using rural genital events. Answer noble understanding, responsibility, sympathy, efficient. Then question number 8. Florence Nightingale born in which country? The options are A. England, B. Germany, C. Italy, D. France. Answer Italy. Then question number 9. Nurses Day is celebrated to commemorate. The options are A. Foundation Day of International Council of Nursing, B. Anniversary of Florence Nightingale's birth, C. Anniversary of Mother Teresa's birth, D. Anniversary of Day of Opening First Scientific Nursing School. Answer: anniversary of Florence Nightingale's birth. Then question number 10. Who is known as Lady with the Lamp? The options are A. Mother Teresa, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Florence Nightingale, D. None of these. Answer: Florence Nightingale. Then question number 11. Essential component of nursing profession is. The options are A. Care, B. Cure, C. Coordination, D. Empathy. First A, B, C. Second A, B, C, D. Third A, C, D. Fourth all of the above. Answer: A, B, C means care, cure and coordination. Then question number 12. Nursing education was established by. Options are A. Lavinic Dock, B. Linian Wald, C. Clark Barton, D. Florence Nightingale. Answer: Florence Nightingale. Then question number 13. Which of the following are components of the paradigm of nursing? The options are A. Person, concepts, involvement and theory, B. Health, theory, concepts and involvement, C. Nurses, physicians, health and patient needs, D. Person, health, involvement and nursing. Answer: person, health, involvement and nursing. Then question number 14. Which of below is not a role played by a nurse? The options are A. Communicator, B. Physician or diagnostician, C. Counselor, D. Caregiver. Answer: physician or diagnostician. Then question number 15. Nurse exhibits which of the following rules if she stands to protect needs and wishes of patient? The options are A. Caregiver, B. Counselor, C. Teacher, D. Advocate. Answer: advocate. Then question number 16. What did Florence Nightingale believe the involvement to be? The options are A. Either a negative or positive influence on the person, B. Those aspects outside the person that affect health, C. An external force that affects the person's health, D. All of the above. Answer: an external force that affects the person's health. Then question number 17. A nurse works with primary level nurses to oversee the care of a specific caseload. This function denotes which of the following nurse role? The options are A. Change agent, B. Researcher, C. Manager, D. Advocate. Answer: manager. Then question number 18. According to Florence Nightingale, what environmental factor is essential for patient recovery? The options are A. Clean air, B. Medication, C. Physician care, D. Family support. Answer: clean air. Then question number 19. First nursing philosophy on health maintenance and restoring was established by. The options are A. Florence Nightingale, B. Clark Barton, C. Mary Elijah Mahoney, D. Darth Dix. Answer Florence Nightingale. Then this is the last question and question number 20. The unique function of the nurse is to assist the individual, sick or well, in the performance of those activities contributing to health or its recovery. This definition of nursing is stated by. The options are A. Florence Nightingale, B. Dr. Oram, C. Virginia Henderson, D. Callista Roy. Answer Virginia Henderson. So this was MCQ on fundamental of nursing. I suggest you आप लोग मेरा वीडियो फर्स्ट से लास्ट तक देखिए. I think this question very helpful for a nursing entrance exam. I hope you understood this video. Any doubt, please comment me on comment box. Then I will clear all doubt. आप चाहे तो मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मिल जाएगा. If you understood this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.